Hi there, I'm April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. So I'm just jumping on today. I want to just tell you guys, sewing and quilting are always going to stay here on this channel, but I'm going to take my Hanging with April back to my Hanging with April. I'm not going to put them together anymore. I'm going to keep them completely separate. I thought I'd give it a try, and I did, and I will be moving back as of today. So I'm hoping that if you're here for the Hanging with April part, that you'll come join me back over there. But if you want sewing, I'll be right here. Sew Quilt with April Sawtelle. I think it's just better to keep everything separated. I tried it and I'm gonna move back on over. So if you enjoy any decluttering, car vlogs, running errands, just everyday life stuff, come join me over there, Hanging with April. Otherwise, I'll see you right here with all kinds of sewing and craft projects. Thanks so much for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. Oh, and little Miss Ready Thready's not going anywhere. She'll be on both channels. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a great day. Bye. Please like and subscribe. Say bye, little Miss Ready Thready.